Hello, I'm back. I definitely, totally, absolutely did not skip another day. All right. So I haven't looked at anything yet. I just loaded into Unity and accidentally broke it, and I just want to say, this guy is awesome. This guy right here, because he fixed the problem I was having. So this man is awesome. That is all. All right. I don't know why I just paused the video. I mean that this. All right, this is I gotta fix the bugs. So like I gotta look at what they are. Also, this is the problem I was having, by the way. If you click this thing, you can't use W or S to move forward or out. I don't know why, but yeah. Alright, so this is what the game currently looks like. Wait for it to load. Oh, there we go. The plane just goes backwards and oh, yep, backwards and up at extreme speeds. So, yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. I don't entirely know how. I still do have my old scripts. That is OBS. I still do have my old scripts right here and here, so I can see the tank ones if I need to. Um, private. Let's just look through, make sure all of them have the thing at the end of them. Yep, not that much code here. All right. There are hints and things that tell me what to do first, but that sounds like a lot of work. Rotation speed 100, regular speed. Well, let's go ahead and turn this rotation speed to like 15. Just see if that does something. I don't know if it's going to do anything. Oh, geez. Okay, it didn't. Okay, so that didn't really help. Obviously it's still going backwards. We're gonna go ahead and put the speed to 1. There we go. I think I'm probably gonna keep it at 1 for now. Hmm. Rotation speed, the rotation speed doesn't currently matter. Obstacles, those don't matter. So now I think it's time to look at this. We'll go ahead and try and fix the guy first before we fix the camera. That's what this is, by the way. This is the player, not, and this one's the camera. I'm very good at explaining things. All right, these are all publics, which is completely fine by me. What is the right there? What is that? Dude, that is the up and down. All right, that's fine. Vertical input equal input dot get access vertical. Let's make sure that is correct. Input dot get access. Yep. Okay, so that is correct. That does work. Transform dot translate vector 3 dot back. If I just get rid of the back and the dot, because I don't think it. That might break the code, honestly. I'm not entirely sure. I do remember, like, yeah, that I think that breaks it. It's not a okay. We need to do the time dot delta. Do I just type time dot delta or is it dot? I think it's capital T dot delta. I want to try and not look at the code, my other code, as much as I can because, well, this is a challenge and I would like to, like, oh, it's literally right there. Time dot delta time. Okay, so I forgot to put time dot delta time. All right, I don't think this dot needs to be here, so I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. I might have to put a multiplies or a star right there. Uh, yeah, there's an unexpected comma, it says. I don't know where. I think that was an unexpected comma. I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and times time dot delta time times speed. Speed is right there, yeah. So error vector3 is a type. Okay, so I'm gonna have to look player controller vector3 dot forward time delta time. Okay. And vector3 dot for, forward times right times delta time. Let's go ahead and save. Look, I didn't save it. Yeah, because this is we need it to go forwards, not backwards. That's what we're trying to do. Whoopsie doopsies. I tried to hit Control S, not Shift S. I think this is okay. Wait, that doesn't matter. I hope this works. The variable plane of follow player X has not yet been assigned. That is for you. You're gonna make me fix the camera, aren't you? Game object plane, which has to be public. Transform position equal plane. Yes, transform dot position plus offset. I don't know what it means by offset, but we're gonna go ahead and select this camera and we're gonna go ahead and move it. We're gonna go ahead and rotate the camera. We're going to go ahead and press Control Z because I apparently wasn't holding this button that I am holding. Right? So that's obviously too low. So position, we'll go ahead and go 1 and we'll just go -7 just to make it even because, we want it to be. Right position. Actually, this position was supposed to be to the side of the camera, or the side. I just remembered we needed to go all the way over here and to go over here. I don't know how far the game actually wants us to put the camera. I guess this isn't a game, but you know what I mean. It wants us to put this camera over here so we can see. Whoa, if you hit shift, that stuff, so we can see stuff. I don't know. I think the camera was a bit farther. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna line the camera up with what first let's find out what position this is. This is the Z, right? Yep, Z. All right. What Z does it have? Position 0. Awesome. Z position 0. Want it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and make this just 54, just so it's a nice number. Y, the Y level is fine. This looks like it's forward than the plane, but honestly, that's fine. Let's see. Yeah, that's fine. I'm fine with that. And when in doubt, I could just move it back. Add. Just a tad. Whoopsie doopsies. Didn't mean to do that. All right. So we got this in the position that we want it to be. We're gonna go ahead and press Control S. And variable plane of follow player X has not yet been assigned. So does that mean where is the player? This is the player. That's a propeller. This is the player. Does that just mean that I have yet to drag player into follow play? Yep. Plane, no game object. Psh, that doesn't work. Why doesn't that work? I thought that was what I had to do. I just type player? No. What is all of this? Oh, this is the stuff from This is the stuff from the other project. All right. So we need a plane, the player. I'm gonna go ahead and shrink this a little bit more. We need this player uh to be in the code. Uh Controller, follow player. Need that. Is that what? Huh? Does nothing work? Did the propeller work? I'm like honestly confused now. I was like 90% sure that's what we had to. Yeah. I'm a little confuzzled now. I may have to look at a hint. Whoopsies. Let's pretend I didn't press that. Game object plane. Should I switch plane game object? Should I just write player? I don't think that's gonna fix it. Whoopsies. Game object player, and then we'll obviously have to switch this one to player. Follow player X was also a command. I wonder if that's just like a easy something else. Obviously, that error is still there. Player. God, if I click on it, it does that. Player. Oh. Huh. Follow player. What was it before follow plane? Because I want to switch it back. Yeah. Go ahead and switch it back to plane. And switch this back to plane. All right, so I'm not sure like what is wrong. Whoopsies. Maybe it's in the player controller and I just messed something up. A constant wave. Oh, let's go ahead and look at this code. All right. Player dot transform dot position plus offset game object player game object plane. Maybe it does need player, but not capitalized. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it to player. That's not how you spell player, is it? Doesn't look right. It is right. That's weird. Doesn't look like how you spell player. Wait, what? Well, that's not how you spell player. Here. All right. So, okay. Control S. All right. You know, I better try it, even though I know it's not gonna work. But hey, I might as well try it, right? All right. Default references will only be applied in edit mode. I am in edit mode, aren't I? This is play mode. Whoa. Hey, it moves forward. Obviously, it's still rotating down, but it moves forward. We're gonna have to make it not move at a constant rate either. Yeah, I don't know what is currently wrong with this. So let's go ahead and look at our old code again. This is for the controller. That's the wrong one. Game object. We need private. We need the vector3 offset equals and what our camera is at, its current position. Vector3 offset. Yes. And okay, so do we need to press shift for an equal sign? No. Equal new. I don't remember. Okay, yes. Sneeze. I'm gonna sneeze. I sneezed. Um, back for 3. And parenthesis. Is there a space between the parentheses? I really don't know if it matters like too much. All right, vector 3. Parenthesis. Parenthesis. That's a squirrely bracket. Parenthesis. And then we're gonna have to go ahead and put our cameras, main camera. We're gonna have to go ahead and put its things. X is 54. 54. Its things are its coordinates, by the way. Forgot what they were called in the moment. 1 and negative 0.1. So that's it's so much easier with 0. Yeah, and you can't even freaking tell that I even moved the camera. I'm just putting 0. All right, okay, we got the camera, got its offset. But now why is that transformed opposition equals player transformed opposition plus offset not working? I think they are exactly the same. Yeah, plus offset, and it's spelled right. I don't know why it's not working. I know that I have to drag the plane into this, but why does it not want? Or do I have to drag this into the plane? Oh, well, that didn't work. I was kind of just that would work, but since there is no. Oh, what? Oh, is it just gonna work now? No, it doesn't work over here. Why? What? Why does it work in the plane? Hollow plate. Whoa, what are you doing, buddy? Yes, I know. Put this guy in there. Right click, select children. Um, I have no idea like why it's not working. And I can continue to struggle, or I could look it up, or try and look at one of the things. Um, I reset it. That's not what I want, though. I want to delete. Oh, Jesus, that scared me. Move it? Yeah. Okay. Don't know what doesn't want to work. Use gravity? Yes, please. I need you to use gravity, I think. I don't know. Let's check it out. Let's see what happens when he uses gravity. Okay, yeah, let's not use gravity. I forgot it's kind of a plane. Or not kind of, it literally is a plane. Okay, this is small plane O2. Grips, follow player X. Game object. Execution order, what's that? Yeah, it's too many words for me. All right, let's try and drag the player in there again. Nope, doesn't want to work. All right. Yep, let's go ahead and just see if that works. Small plane 2. All right, let's go ahead and see. It should just go ahead and just work like right away. Nope. It doesn't work. Nope, that's just in planes. So no. We need you to pick from the challenge 1 thing. No, that's not gonna work. Need this. Whoa. Would it work if I went like that? I'm kind of, at the moment, just guessing and checking. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna have to admit defeat and look up what I'm supposed to do. The scale, mesh collider, component. Yeah, I'm gonna have to accept defeat and look up what it is. Whoopsies. But before I do, let's go ahead and vertical input. Is that how that works? Private float. Yeah. Okay, vertical input equals X. Gets the user's vertical input. Yes, that works. Move the plane forward at a constant time and rate. Yes, that works. The speed is very low at the moment though. Tilt the plane up or down based on the up or down arrow keys. Transform dot rotate. Vector 3 dot right times rotation speed. See, this one might be a little more. Hold on. Yeah, transform dot rotate. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's the wrong one. Transform dot rotate 3. Well, not right. Up. Dot times that rotate. Let's just go ahead and see if that works. If that works, that's awesome. Okay, the follow player still hasn't been assigned. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Okay, so no, that's not how it works. Okay, let's change the speed to 10. Vertical input. I don't know, 1. All right, let's. Oh, okay, let's go ahead and do that. Hold on. Does it just go? Does it turn? Yes, it does. Why does it turn? Oh, but it does give vertical input if you're seeing the number. Let's go ahead and change the vertical input to. Let's just change it to like a super high number so we can actually see what it's doing. Okay, so it seems to be doing absolutely nothing. Um, I have my player back. All right, hold on. It was just because I was not selected in here. All right, so it's still doing nothing. I must not have it set to really do anything. We'll keep it at 1,000 right now because I think it's funny. Yes, right was correct, but I don't entirely understand why. Comma. Time delta turn speed. So maybe if this works that way, where it's vector rotate, then this is transform dot rotate. Turn speed. Is turn speed the thing that's up here times the turn speed? So I probably need to also time it speed, or I guess it's called rotation speed in this. Okay, that's fine. We need to times it by rotation speed, but we need to times the time dot delta by rotation speed. So let's go ahead and get this first. Control V that, then press space, Shift 8. Get that, press Control S, time dot delta X turn speed. And oh, we also need horizontal input. Yes, we do. We need the controls. I would have forgotten that. That's probably why the input wasn't doing anything. Ours is vertical input though, because of we're going vertical. Yes, so that should hopefully make this actually do something. Our camera is obviously still messed up. But oh, it turns. Let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. Okay, so far I've done this without looking up how to do it or even looking at the other stuff, which is not what I am normally able to do. Let's change the rotation speed to like 45 just to see what the hell it does. If the rotation speed is actually what is. Okay, I think the rotation speed's what's actually making this turn. Let's test chest. Let's chest by changing this extremely high. Right? Oh no, watch out for my plane. Near home. Watch out for my plane. It's a little dangerous. All right, let's just go ahead and set it to 50 because that looks like a good enough speed to me. Oh, I forgot to select the play field and I was pressing the wrong button. All right, so let's try and steer it back through here. Yeah. All right, so yeah, it works. I don't know what the vertical input does. What does a vertical input do? It times it by vertical input, but what if I get rid of the times vertical input? Does it even break it? Gypsies. Less. We have vertical input and rotation speed, and I could just be accidentally setting them to the wrong ones. Whoa, okay, so we do still need times vertical input, otherwise it will just start falling. Okay. Times vertical input. So I was correct originally. Okay. No, I did not. That doesn't matter anyway. Okay, so now we need to fix this, but I really don't know how to fix it because doing what I thought I had to do was just drag this in here, but that's not working and I don't know why. So, um, does it have to do with one of these? Mesh. I don't know what that is. Break a body, mesh render, script. Yes, that is indeed the script that it runs on. I don't know. So, follow player, game object, player, game object, player, vector 3 offset and position, vector 3 offset and position. Yeah, it's all the same. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is late update. This is update, which isn't at the moment what the problem is. I just also remember that's a thing though. The late update will make it not whoa, that was the wrong button. Tried to save it. The late update will make the camera move smoothly instead of lagging a bit, but the camera's still not gonna work. No. The camera's still not gonna work. Please stay out of the view. Yes. It has not yet been assigned. Equals transform dot position plus offset. Transform dot position plus offset. Huh. You know, it would really suck if I was just like not noticing something really simple. But I don't think it is. So sadly, we're gonna have to go down. I'm gonna go ahead and make the plane go forward. I did. Slow the plane down to a manageable speed. Done. The plane is tilting automatically. So only if the Make it tilt only if the user presses them. Done. Reposition it, the camera. Yeah, it is besides the plane. Make the camera follow the plane. All right, this is the problem. No. We're going to go ahead and go to the comments. Warning. Main camera. Used almost identical code to Unit 1. Can't get the camera to follow. Changed to the recommended offsets. Hint, you will need to drag the player object somewhere. I tried. All right. I'm going to just go ahead and pause this real quick. And, well, I guess you'll see me back once I solved the problem. Okay, so I might have found the solution, not entirely sure. I just kind of clicked on the main camera and then dragged player into the follow player X script because I did not place that there, so I'm assuming that I was doing an oopsie and trying to drag it into the script when it did not need to be. So let's go ahead and oopsies, that's OBS. Let's go ahead and save this. Yeah, whatever. Stop opening OBS when I'm trying to open these things. Okay. Main camera, Coolio. Got player selected. I wish I didn't freaking select small plane. I feel like that might mess it up. I don't know if it will, but that might mess it up. Get out of here. I can reset it. I don't really want to, but I might have to. Oh, no, it works. Yeah, okay. I think it's a little too far out. Like, it's not zoomed enough. Well, actually, wait. Whoopsies. It's a little too far, I think. Yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and make this main camera. Let's make it, let's see, 50. Does that work? Let's go ahead and change it to 5. Yeah, I think that should be fine. We have to go ahead and change it in code to 5. Control S. Go ahead and enlarge the code. Make sure I'm recording and didn't accidentally turn it off. I did not. Right. If I could press the play button, I just wanted to. All right. Yeah. All right, that works. I think the camera's not too far. I'm very good at this game, as you can tell. All right. I just want to make it to the end. I think the plane does move kind of slow. So we're going to go ahead and player speed 15. All right, let's go ahead and see what that speed is like. All right, and with this speed, I think we're gonna have to raise the turning speed. Yeah, we're gonna have to raise that turning speed with the raised speed. Let's go ahead and go 75 turning speed. I don't know if that's gonna be too much. I'm just like guessing on every single one of these numbers here. Right. Go. Yeah, I think that's good. Looks good. Turns fast, but not too fast. This last one's a little hard. Ah, no. Go back and get it. Ah. All right. Okay, so those numbers, they're good for now. Is that everything? I did have to go back to those tutorials. All right, so our plane is make the camera follow it. Done. Ooh, yes. Oh, don't go. Don't look at him. The plane's propeller does not spin. That is a bonus one that I have to do myself. But since the code is done, you know what we must do? Must make these private vectors. Not that one, though. Not that one. The player controller. We make the speed private. But first, let's see what the speed is set at. Speed 15. And let's go private. And I think we just go ahead and type 15F. I think I am gonna just go ahead and check this. Okay, so that has parentheses in it. I don't know if I need parentheses, and I'm glad I looked because I wouldn't have put this equal sign for any of them. All right, and the rotation speed is 75 F, and vertical input I think is just 1. Vertical input is 10. Scratch that. And you know what? I will add the point 0. Is it point 0, 0? Nope, just point 0. I will add point 0 just to be safe. I don't know, but like the other code is like that, so I'm just gonna be safe. I forgot to change these ones to private. Whoopsies. Private. Oopsie doopsies. Why didn't it auto-complete that one for me? All right, so those should all be good now. They shouldn't be in the right here. It should get rid of these. Yep. All right. So now everything should still hopefully work how it was intended. Yep. All right. We're just gonna go ahead and see if I can get that last one. Oh, Jesus Christ, this one's taller than I thought it was. Go down, 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 down. Go. Yeah. Hardest game in the world, trust me. It's like the hardest game really needs some balancing. All right, so propeller does not spin. So we have this and we have propeller. Propeller is object, he says, not knowing if it really is. We do not currently know how to rotate objects. It did say that we could look it up, and I probably will have to look it up. But, I'm going to try something first. I was going to try rotating it on the x-axis. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. And well, I just sort of said x-axis just because that's the one I was looking at. I probably would actually rotate it sideways z-axis because that would make sense, right? Z and it rotates around it. Okay, we'll go ahead. Propeller. Am I gonna have to make another script for this? Or could it be in the player control? I do player control, huh? I assume I can put it in here because like I don't think it actually matters. But I'm pretty sure if you are going to make it, I'm pretty sure they want you to make a different script because like it's different. I don't know. I think they want me to make a different script, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna name it row spin. I would never have. I definitely typed that like that because I wanted to, and not because I don't know how to spell propeller. And it's definitely not right there either. Yeah. Just note the spinning logo that it's. Oh, never mind. Hope I'll finish that sentence next time we see it. That's funny. We're gonna update. Probably transform, right? Let's go ahead and take our play control. Our transform dot rotate. Yeah, we'll go ahead and do it. Transform dot rotate. All right, we'll go ahead and just keep that like that for now because I just remembered we are going to have to put the our object, game object. Okay. Where is that? Is that just above? Yes, it is. All right. I'm going to keep all of these scripts so that I can always read them. Um, is it capital? I'm just gonna go ahead and type a capital. Game object, right? Oh, I forgot to put public. It's gonna be public. Why? Because the game object. Duh. Can I know what that means? Public game object. Wait, why did I get rid of that? Oh, doesn't matter. Object. Game object. What? What? It said recommended and it said suggested name game object or game object. Well, there's a couple of game objects. Let's just. All right, so and then I think we need to go stop that. Uh, Parentheses and vet capital V vec 3 vector 3 whoopsies wrong one vector 3 offset that's whoopsie that's the wrong one. I've said whoopsie so many times. I don't think I've ever said whoopsie so many times in my life. Rotate. We'll go ahead and go up. I don't know. But I don't know which direction I want it to rotate at the moment. Okay, this is the wrong one. I was typing into the wrong code. Game object, player, game object. Okay, let's go ahead and take Control X. Put that in there. Game object, space. Okay, yeah, I need to not forget the one thing that I always forget. And what's it called? What was it called? I forget what it was called. Peller. Wow, I spelled it correctly. All right, vector 3 and what was it again? I don't entirely remember. All right, dot right dot right. Right. By how much? I don't know. But let's just go ahead and save the code for now, even though I don't think it's really gonna do a single thing. Where is it? Propeller spin. Go ahead and give propeller spin to propeller. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Let's just go ahead and see if it does anything. All right, it does. That what did I fricking say? I was gonna forget it because I put one there, but not at the end of this. All right. Okay, so it should, yep, it fixed it. I'm assuming that it's not going to rotate it. Hey, get back here. What the hell? You're just phasing through stuff. Oh, and I'm pressing the W key, so it's like rotating the. Stop it! Okay, yeah, that's not spinning. I guess I could have just went like this. Yep, not spinning. Okay, that's fine. I didn't think it was gonna work right away. It would have been nice if it did, but that also wouldn't have made sense. Okay, so we need rotation speed or something like that. Translate time stuff. Bloody blue. I don't know the words that are coming out of my mouth. Okay, let's go. Private. You wonder what I'm doing? I have no idea. Like, yeah, sure, let's add the word float. Why not? What does it do? I don't know, but it's at the end of these other ones. All right, rotation speed. Yep. Does it have a capital R? No. Eight. Patience. I forgot to capitalize the S. The speed. Rotation speed. Space. Sure, why not? Freaking works with me. Whatever. Ah, let's just go ahead and turn it to 10. I don't know what that does, but yet again, whatever. All right, right, and let's times it by rotation speed, right? Times rotation speed. Yep, does that work? I don't know. I am guessing. This is how code works, right? You just completely guess on everything, and then if you get something right, you just go, woo. Huh, it's not working. I wonder. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a freaking minute. You know what's something I can do really quick? Uh, player speed. I could set this to 0. Because then the plane can't move. And that should just like help me look at the propeller. Actually, it might just sort of plummet down. Okay, so it's spinning. It might have been spinning before too. I don't think it was, but so that just means maybe change this to up. Maybe that'll work. Which way should it be spinning? I want it to spin towards this direction. That's a that's a strange way for a propeller to spin, wouldn't you say? All right. I don't know. Like, what is this? It's rotating the axis when it goes like this. Whoopsie dipsies. Okay, it's rotating on the z-axis when it does that. So maybe I should do something with the z-axis. I like just type rotate z. S. I don't think that'll work. Yeah, an object reference fired. Yeah, okay. I didn't think that would work, but hey, might as well try, right? What if I do times z? I know that there's. What did I press? I got rid the time. Whoops. The times. The z. And that space. Okay. S. All right. I don't think this is gonna work either. Yeah, Z does not currently exist. Okay, that's fine. Let's just go ahead and Control Z all of that back until we have. Okay. Um, although I like 90% sure know that this is just gonna make it spin in the other direction. I still have to try it. Yep. I had to try it. So if up, down, left, and right don't work, are there the other ones that don't have names? Diagonal. Spell that. I don't know how to spell that. Get access. Didn't get access do something? Where's get access? That's get access. That's the one horizontal stuffs. So what would I have to do? This does rotate it, but it needs to rotate on the Z axis. Left and right do not work. Left and right make it rotate. We select the one. Left makes it rotate this way or this way. Left or right makes it rotate these ways. See? And up or down makes it rotate these ways. This is up, this is down, this is left, and this is right. So we need, so if this is left and that's, or this is left, that's right, and this is up and that's down, we need sideways. I really have absolutely no idea what I'm. That looks funny. Hmm. This video is just gonna be a lot of me going, Okay, let's go ahead and look at the hints. Bonus. Create a new spin propeller script. Yes. Create every frame around the x-axis. I know that. Okay, that's just more stuff. I know that. What if I type axis? I I don't know what I'm doing. It's the wrong one. Nope, doesn't have a definition for z-axis. What if I do comma axis? The name axis does not currently. What? But Z does? I thought you told me Z doesn't, you liar. Just got rid of you. The star must be applied to a pointer. What if I just get rid of it? Yeah, that's right. What if I freaking get rid of it? Damn it. All right, so if I don't get rid of it, then put a 2 here. Let's go ahead and put a 1. I feel like any number is going to not cause problems. It's going to be the 1. And it's saved. Yeah. Aw, that sucks. I really don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and type up right there just so I know what to change. And well, I'm yet again going to have to admit defeat, and I will be back to find out what to do. Ah, you didn't pause, but I saw it, OBS. I didn't. I saw it. Okay, so I took about 2 seconds to look something up and then had an idea. What I looked up didn't work, but I have an idea. I'm gonna put private float. Yeah, sure. Float. And what was it? Nope, we don't need float, but we need vector 3 offset. Private vector 3 offset. I think that was it. Where is it? It should also be in this. Vector 3 offset equals whoopsies, equals. And we're gonna go ahead, whoopsies. We're gonna go ahead and make sure OBS is recording. Yes, okay. We're gonna go ahead and okay, if it's off by a tiny bit, that is fine. No, I won't tell if you don't tell. 2.21. Please stop doing that, OBS. All right. Doesn't need to be in parentheses. What does that button do? That pins it. That's fine. Pinned this on accident. Okay. Yeah, we need to put it in parentheses. I already forgot the numbers. Okay, 2.21. 1 space 0.21 because this is actually 0 comma space 3.64 64 okay, so obviously I forgot things. I forgot the new word, and I think I was supposed to put new vector 3. Yes, new vector 3. Yes. All right, so private vector 3 offset equals new vector 3. Yes, and then we are going to rotate it on 3.64. Control S. Does this work on it? Expected where? Where? Expected comma. Where? Is it there? Three is a type which is not valid in the given context. No! Crap! Wait, what if I do vector 3 rotation speed? I don't think this is gonna work, just like rotating it around, but who knows? Not me. Okay, yeah, so that's not gonna work, but whatever. Would really like to react to this video of me just fiddling around with code, not knowing what the hell I'm doing. Yet again, just type up just to reset this. And we can just go ahead and Control or not Z, X to just get rid of it. Because it is no longer necessary since it did not work. The code should still work. Yep. And obviously this is gonna rotate like around like this. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll get back to you once I find the actual answer. Hopefully. Hey, guess what I did? I figured it out. I didn't do it myself. I Googled it, but I figured it out. All right, so let's before we start it, oh well, first I'm gonna change that to first. Also, I haven't tested it, so technically the code could not work. But what we did was we made a serialized field vector 3 underscore rotation, and then transform.rotate rotation times time.delta. We could have done what we had before and did it by like the rotation speed or whatever he had. I can't remember. Hold on, let me. Yeah, we could have done it by rotation speed again, but I got rid of the code up there, so rotation speed was no longer a thing, so I just did it by time.delta. And if you're wondering what the hell is a serialized field or a serialized field, I looked it up. I forgot to put the word private here. Um, it is literally just a way to make your private codes, like how this is private, we can no longer edit it in the editor. It's just a way to make these private, but you're still able to edit them in the editor. So, as you can see, and as you saw, I can edit this right here. But it's still private. So I can actually, and I might as well just because this is what I know, but I can type public. Go ahead and Control S, save it a bunch, spam Control S, and then it'll go. And it still works. I don't really know why the guy in the video used it. There's probably probably something. There's probably a reason. It doesn't matter. All right, let's hope that this works. If it doesn't, I'm going to be sad. Oh my god. It works. I gotta make that noise that I said I was supposed to make earlier. I don't remember what it is, otherwise I would. Set that to 99. Um Dang. This moves very slow. 999. Let's try that. There we go. That's good. I think that's good. That looks good. Can I still move this up and down? Yes, that's actually pretty fun. Let's go ahead and propeller 990. Let's go ahead and raise it to 9,500 just to see what it looks like at a higher speed. Okay, I think I like it at 1,500. So we're gonna stick it at 1,500. We're also going to have to change the player speed to, well, actually, before we change the player speed, I'm going to make sure that I am recording because this would suck. Okay, yes, I am. Okay, so I'm going to put like 500 this just because I want to see it spin in all different directions. Well, that doesn't work very well, does it? It's probably because this one is 1,500. So let's go ahead and do that. And let's try again. There we go. Now it's like spinning right there. What if I put 500 on this one, spinning on all axes? Axes. That's funny. All right. So let's naturally we have to chain it to make it 1,500 for all of them now. Naturally. That's just what we have to do. This is exactly how I wanted my plane. All right. 0, 0. Righty. Let's see. It works. All right. So, well, first let's stop that. Stop opening OBS. And let's do one thing. This was at 15, I believe. All right. Control S. And then this guy, we are going to go ahead and change this to private. Why, I don't know. But we are going to, so we don't accidentally change it. Let's go ahead and say that's why. All right, now go ahead and bring this up. Look down here. Look down at the game field, and you can't even see the propeller. Let's go. Also, I can just like phase through if I look at them like dead on. It doesn't exactly make sense, but it also doesn't matter. The propeller is spinning, correct? No. That well, that's a stop pressing that. I'm the one pressing it. I don't. That's a predicament right there. Maybe this can't be private. Oh wait, it can't be. That's probably why that guy made it the private, but you can still edit it because it can't be private. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Or maybe it just reset the values for no reason. Whatever. I ain't got no idea. I have absolutely no idea. It also doesn't. What if I times it by times 1,500 and then make it private? Private. Would that work? Would it understand that I want that number right there? We'll see if there's red text down here. There's not. Is it gonna work? It doesn't. Who could have guessed? Who could have guessed? Just a random number times time dot delta, not even times the rotation, I just realized. Let's go ahead and times it by the rotation. Control S. It'll save. It's most likely not going to give us an error anyways, and we'll see. It doesn't spin. Okay, that's fine. We'll just go ahead and do that. And then we'll go ahead and change this from private to serialize field, which is not what we've been using. I don't want to confuse myself later, but I also want to remember what a serialized field is. So yeah, I'm going to keep it a serialized field. We will go ahead and go 1,500, right? I was just about to ask if I saved the code. No shit that I saved the code, otherwise I wouldn't be here. Go ahead and look down at the lower bit. Let's go. There's a propeller, and it's spinning. I don't know how long this took me, but that's game complete right here. Right once I complete this, that's game. All right. Well, I don't know what the next project in this little learning Unity thing is, but that's the end of this challenge. Yeah. I'm going to end the video once I fly out of this little sky dome. Come on. Hooray. All right. Well, oopsies. See you next time.